Hey everyone. So this is a brief intro to our platform Bitscale. Essentially, what you see on the screen right now is where you do most of your workflow building and interaction with our platform. We call these as grids, but essentially they are just like a Excel interface wherein you have these certain columns and rows along with it. Right now, what you see here is a list of people and their basic details that I have. I have the names, titles, headlines, other like person and company related details as well, right? Now this is the basic list that I have. Now any kind of enrichment and research that I want to do on top of it, it can include finding their emails, phone numbers, doing some specific research like their their activity in terms of on LinkedIn, on any third party platform, any updates on their product page, any research related to the company. All of that can be done by creating columns that are essentially action columns on Bitscale. Now the beauty of using Bitscale here is that you do not need to, decide beforehand that which is the right tool for you. You just need to come on the platform with the right ideas. Just type it out in this chat window at the bottom. We will take care of all the next steps, which is the right tool for this, what are the right sequence of tools that need to be set up, and all of that will be handled. So for example, if I start with a very basic query like which of these companies, though this is a people list, but I also have company URLs here, so I will ask a question related to the company, that which of these companies is a B2B or a B2C. I have set up this very basic question here, which of these companies is a B2B or a B2C. Now I just need to ask this question to our BitPilot. It will take some time, go through some of the tools, select the right tool, go through the right steps, and it will set the column up. Just wait, let's just wait for a few moments and we'll have the results popping up, the right columns being created. Yeah, so we have started to get like a bit of the results in terms of the goals, the planning that is being done. It is deciding on the columns, the right steps. So for example, we have got the entire process now. What are the steps that need to be done? And I've also got the suggested columns here, right? So for example, the first column that was suggested to me was doing a LinkedIn enrichment, finding out like the LinkedIn profile. I'll just like approve this step from my end. This will take some time and it will update the column here. So you'll see that a company description column has been created here. I'll save and run it. This will run it for a few samples. So you'll see that I've got company related profiles here. This is this skips my initial research, initial brainstorming that I needed to do on what are the right tools, what are the right steps that needs to be taken. It gives me the second column that needs to be used after this. This has extracted some informations that might be relevant for me to find out if it is B2B or B2C. Additionally, it has asked to create a GPT mini column. This will also be created, and I think most probably it will use these three information points, process it with GPT, and then it will tell me whether it is a B2B or a B2C company. So you will see that we have got a GPT column here created. I've got the right prompt that is relevant for me. Of course, I can make changes to this. I can update this, but for now I'll go ahead with this. So yeah, so some of these cells had blank values. There are ways to handle this as well, but for now we'll go ahead with this set of samples. So you'll see that unfortunately all of them are B2C, but this was just a basic research step that I was able to set up. Of course, you can do much more with this. You can set up like sequence of these enrichments. You can set up much complex workflows. So yeah, this is like just the basic walkthrough of the platform and how you can use the BitPilot to reduce your effort. Try this out.